Good day, my name is Mr. Brown and I am the Computer Science Pathway Instructor here at Grand Prairie Collegiate Institute. I understand that as a scholar at Gypsy, you have an important decision to make regarding choosing a career pathway. This decision can be confusing and often intimidating, but please hear me out. The pathways offered here at Grand Prairie Collegiate Institute provide scholars with a tremendous opportunity to excel in a potential career field. Let's take a closer look about how choosing the computer science pathway will set you up for success in your future endeavors. Come with me.
As you know, the use of technology has grown tenfold in the last 10 to 15 years. We are ever evolving in the increasing reliance on technology, from using the latest trendy social media app to making sure everyone has their online information safe and secure. Computer science provides scholars the opportunity to not merely be consumers of technology around them, but creators. Our program engages scholars in collaborative projects that help them develop in-demand computer science knowledge as well as transportable work skills like creative thinking and communication. And whether they are creating an online art gallery or using automation to process and analyze DNA sequence data, our computer science students are seeking how their learning connects to the real world. Within the computer science pathway, scholars will take courses that engage students in compelling real-world challenges. As students work together to design solutions, they learn computational thinking, not just how to code, and become better thinkers and communicators. Students take from the courses in-demand knowledge and skills they will use in high school and for the rest of their lives on any career path they take. Let's take a brief look at what our pathway courses offer for scholars who desire to be trendsetters. In Computer Science Essentials, scholars will jump right into understanding and gaining a diverse set of computational thinking concepts, fundamentals, and tools, allowing them to gain understanding and gain confidence. These tools will allow students to create innovative smartphone apps through the MIT App Inventor. Scholars will also learn about physical computing by programming a VEX self-driving vehicle to navigate an obstacle course, as well as using a vision sensor to avoid a collision with other self-driving vehicles. These robots emulate the self-driving vehicles that companies like Amazon, Uber, and the city of Arlington are implementing for their clients. For those who are intrigued by how the internet and data security are utilized to manage people-sensitive data, similar to what is shown on shows like Criminal Minds, NCIS, and Law & Order, scholars will enjoy our newest course being offered, Cybersecurity. Cybersecurity introduces the tools and concepts of cybersecurity and encourages students to create solutions that allow people to share computing resources while protecting privacy. Nationally, computational resources are vulnerable and frequently attacked. In cybersecurity, our students will solve problems by understanding and closing these vulnerabilities. Students' knowledge will be raised and their commitment to ethical computing behavior will increase. Cybersecurity also aims to develop student skills as consumers, friends, citizens, and employees who can effectively contribute to communities with a dependable cyber infrastructure that moves and processes information safely. Scholars are also afforded the opportunity to earn AP credit through their pathway courses by taking AP Computer Science Principles and AP Computer Science A. This is an opportunity that is not offered in the other pathways at Gypsy. In AP Computer Science Principles, students will utilize Python as a primary tool where they will learn about the fundamentals of coding, data processing, data security, and task automation through simulations, while learning to contribute to an inclusive, safe, and ethical computing culture. They will help develop programming expertise and explore the workings of the internet. Projects and problems will include more app development, visualization of data, cybersecurity, and simulation. In the final course in our pathway, Computer Science A, students will cultivate their understanding of coding through analyzing, writing, and testing code as they explore concepts like modularity, variables, and control structures. They will be introduced to the design of solutions to problems, the use of data structures to organize large sets of data, the development and implementation of algorithms to process that data and discover new information, and analyzing potential solutions which result in the ethical and social implications of computing systems. This course will utilize the industry language known as Java, programming language. I envision the computer science pathway to provide scholars with world-class opportunities to utilize 21st century methodologies and skills to experience real-life opportunities. For example, our computer science essential scholars are collaborating with the City of Grand Prairie landfill to create a phone app for the residents of Grand Prairie to utilize about recycling materials and making our environment safer. In computer science principles, students are afforded the opportunity to create an engaging computer program, whether that be a game, a calculator, a database application, or a sensor-based app that will be utilized by consumers. Most importantly, I want students to understand that computer science impacts all aspects of society, from family life to entertainment to society to economy to our culture, even to our everyday life at school. Technology usage will only grow in importance, and now is the opportunity for our wonderful Gypsy scholars to play an active role in that growth. The rewards and benefits are worth it. You are worth it. Dream big. We are what's next.